Okay, in this lesson we will be dealing with average speed. Now, a question will ask you for an average speed with given distances and speeds. So you're given a certain number of speeds here, as you see, and distances, and you're told to find average speed. Now, they don't tell you this, but this is really average speed over time. So when you first see something like this, where it says Mike goes to work, his trip is about 10 miles, and you have to determine the average speed, and this will be over time, even though it doesn't say it. So let's get started. He goes to work. He goes 25 miles an hour for the first 3 miles, 35 miles an hour for the next 5 miles, and he speeds it up a little bit, goes 100 miles an hour for the last 2 miles. Okay, so let's convert everything to time. Let's see how much time he spends at each speed. So he's going 25 miles an hour for 3 miles. Okay, so we're going 25. This is miles per hour. Okay. And then he's moving at that pace for 3 miles. So what we're going to do is we are going to divide 3 by 25. We put that in our calculator. 3 divided by 25 is going to give us 0.12. And this is in terms of hours, so we get a time 0.12 hours that he spends at 25 miles an hour. Keep going down, spends 5 miles, he goes 35 miles an hour. Okay, so this speed, 35 miles an hour, he spends, calculator again, 5 divided by 35. Say about 0.14. Let's round it to 2, or 0.14. Okay, yeah, 0.14. It's rounded to 2 decimal places. And then lastly, he goes 100 miles an hour for the last 2 miles. So we'll take 2 miles divided by 100. And the calculator again, 2 divided by 100 will give us 0.02. Very short time. That speed. This is all in terms of hours. So now we're going to think back to weighted values. We're going to take these values to find the average speed. So we take 0.12 hours times that speed, which is 25, okay, plus 0.14 times that speed, which is 35, and 0.02 times that speed, which is 100. Plug that into the calculator, and we get 0.12 times 25 plus 0.14 times 35 plus 0.02 times 100, and we get 9.9.